So we get now to the last parados, the game against Mexico. If we don't beat Mexico, our chances of qualifying for Qatar would be gone from slim to maga. Of course, we've seen the squad and we've heard the coach, Paul Hall, saying he wants to play on the front foot and blah, blah, blah. But hear my maverick reminder now. Whether we play on the front foot or on the back foot, one of the biggest disappointments of the campaign so far has been how we have wasted the use of our squad depth. It's been one of the biggest travesties to date. We have one of the deepest benches in CONCACAF. Because of COVID, we are allowed 5 substitutions, and every single game of the campaign so far, we've started out like a house on fire, and by 50 or 60, we run out of gas. And instead of joining for timely reinforcements from the bench, we wait till the player them start walk, and we concede 1 or 2 goals before we rush to make some change. Paul Hall himself was guilty of the same in his lone game in charge. So please, Mr. Interim Head Coach, play your front foot game. But remember, the game lasts for 90 plus minutes. And we bench deep. It's our last parados. You remember that? Last parados.